This exercise is so effective that it can drastically increase your libido. The morning imagination technique I shared is designed to ignite your sexual energy and recharge your libido. After just a few days of practicing it, you'll notice a significant change. Be careful, as the effects can be intense, and you may feel like your libido is skyrocketing. So if you're ready for a major boost, give it a try. But remember, it's important to follow the instructions carefully for the best results. Libido works like a battery that needs to be recharged, and the charger for this battery is erotic stimulation. Unlike pornography, which delivers everything ready-made, imagination sparks our creativity and activates sexual energy. Think of your libido as the battery of a car, and erotic stimulation as the alternator that keeps everything running. Without proper charge, the battery weakens, directly affecting the quality of your erections. After many tests and adaptations over the decades, I included morning imagination as an essential exercise. How to do it? When? Upon waking up, before getting out of bed or reaching for your phone. Duration, just 2 minutes. Steps. Close your eyes and use your imagination to think about sexual or erotic situations that excite you. It can be something that has already happened or new scenarios you create in your mind. If your mind drifts to everyday worries, redirect your focus back to the fantasy. Do not masturbate during these 2 minutes. The idea is to use the power of imagination only. If you want to masturbate afterward, that's another matter, but here the focus is mental. This simple habit powerfully activates your libido. We are more receptive at this time of day because our brain is in the theta state, an ideal state to positively influence the rest of the day.